Spot the difference?
It's utterly illogical to designate it as an England and Wales project. Crossrail has an England-only classification. HS2 should as well.
Well, HS2 is no longer in existence.
This is Jo Stevens in 2022, then in opposition, now she's Secretary of State for Wales. She was then arguing the case for Wales to receive its fair share of HS2 funding. And this is her in 2024, in government now, denying the project even exists, despite there being plenty of evidence to suggest it's very much happening. So what's happened to Labour to prompt such a dramatic change in attitude? Labour has gone quiet on so many of the things that they used to call for in opposition, and nothing epitomises that better than HS2. Labour has gone from a party that agreed with Plaid Cymru that Wales was being short-changed to the tune of billions of pounds when it came to HS2 rail, to a party that denies the project's existence. Wales deserves so much better. You may have seen the recent ITV YouGov poll showing Plaid Cymru in the lead now when it comes to voting intention for the Senedd election in 2026. We have a real opportunity for change. Electing Plaid Cymru to lead government in Wales means putting a party in charge that won't just roll over and accept it when Keir Starmer says no on HS2 and all the other issues where Wales is cast aside. There's so much work to do, but together we can build a better future for Wales.